What I love about pair programming is I have this constant checks and balance. A lot of times you have different makeup of skill sets on the team, and you're often learning. We come from different backgrounds, so my thoughts might be different than my partner's thoughts.
So basically, if you run into a situation that you can't figure something out, or your partner's right there to go ahead and actually give you the give you another possible solution.
Sometimes just they've worked with these types of buttons before and you haven't, but you've worked with these scroll views before and they haven't, and it gives you an ability to share knowledge and become better together.
So learning happens organically because we work in pairs. You sit next to someone, you learn, you absorb their brain all day. You run into problems, you don't solve it alone, you solve it with the full team.
People here at Asynchrony want to learn, they want to be better. I've been other places where, people are just putting in their time. It's like, yeah, I don't really care about this, it's just a job. I think people here really enjoy working and learning new things and being exposed to new things.